Today I want to show you how to add a text behind any object. So let's get started. First thing, navigate to Effects, Title and just add the basic title. Select your text and you can fully customize it by font, size, color and all the different settings. After that, navigate to our video and holding Alt, duplicate it to the next track. With the top clip selected, navigate to Fusion. Over here on Windows, hold Ctrl and Space, and on Mac, hold Shift and Space, and the select tool will pop up. Type Magic and then Add. Now, with the eyedropper, click and drag to draw mask, and DaVinci will do the rest. This is only a single frame. To be in a video, we must click on this button, drag forward and backward. When you see the red line start moving, you're on the right track. That means the video is processing this one. Give it a couple seconds and it should be done. Now, if we go back to the Edit tab, we will notice that DaVinci places our text behind the object. And that's how easy it is. See you in the next video.